It's magical mystery bead box time. Let's unbox September's edition of the Jessie James Beads magical mystery bead box. Fabulous subscription featuring all you need to make a plethora of gorgeous jewellery. Magical mystery bead box for September 2024. Let's have a look at what we've got. So much. I can't even begin to tell you how beautiful this is. We've got a Tin Man strand. Emerald City. Look at that focal centre. It's gorgeous. We've got Scarecrow. Love those colours for autumn. One of the most beautiful station chains I've ever seen is called Oz. Look at those gorgeous faceted greens. We have got not just some cup chain with that beautiful ruby red in silver colourway, but you've also got some end connectors, which are really, really handy. I'm going to show you that last, I think. There is a bead mix called Witch of the West. Look at those colours. Loving that peacock teamed with the olivine colourway. We've also got Witch of the North. We've got Cowardly Lion, which I adore. Look at these twizzly ones. How cool are they? With a beautiful golden tassel at the end there. Dorothy and the Tornado. It's very, very Dorothy there with those shell beads. And a lovely selection, including some of those twirly whirly beads, which I adore. Last but not least, Poppy Field. We've got 3 of these superb two-way poppy bead, absolutely gorgeous. They are so beautiful. Enamel and hefty metal, really lovely.